Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun we're doing another one of my quick unboxings, and this time we're looking at this LAOFAS RGB LED video light. Now these retail fairly reasonable price on Amazon and they're a pretty nice light. So I thought I'd get one in and have a bit of a quick look. So like all my videos, let's get it out of the box and have a look at this little light. So the first thing out the box is this manual, which is quite good, but it's in different languages, and you also get a QR warranty card. So they're the first things out the box. Next is this rather short USB to USB-C cable for charging the LED light, and that's included in the box too. You get a little mini tripod and the adapter for the tripod to put the light on, and this can screw on the top here, but it can also go on top of a camera. So you get these two items as well. You get a little carrying bag, which is quite good, and it's nice and soft and padded, and this is good to protect the light when you're transporting it round. And finally you've got the light itself, and as you can see it is quite a nice little light. Now you've got a couple of switches on this side. One's a power switch, one's a mode switch. You've got your USB-C charging port. You've got your tripod mount here, and you've also got one on this side, so you can mount it two ways. You've got a little LED screen, which is pretty handy, and then you've got your plus and minus for intensity and also for modes. So pretty much that's all the buttons on this unit. So let's turn this unit on, and as you can see it lights up, which is pretty good. Now you can see that it already is illuminating, and I won't aim that directly at the camera. As you can see it's pretty bright, but you can change a lot of different settings in the menus here, which is really handy. You've got different intensities, so you can drop how bright this light is. You can do different adjustments, but you've also got a whole host of different modes. If we go through them, you can see that we can change the modes. So we've got red, and then we've got like a sort of green, blue, and it's rainbowing colours through. And then you've got special modes like this one here, which is designed to simulate like lightning, which is quite handy. And then you've also got one that will simulate like a police light, which is also pretty neat. Now this is a great little light, and it's really handy to use for video work, and the fact that you can mount it on your camera or on a tripod really make it quite useful. Now this has just been a quick unboxing video and a quick look at this light, and maybe down the track what I'll do is I'll actually do a more in-depth review of this light where I set it up and actually use it for something. But this is just to give you an idea that this light is definitely worth picking up if you can get it from one of the online stores like Amazon and that. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.